I put a orange in the freezer. Look, it's like ice. Yeah, ice. Look, this is orange. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna cut it. I like ice anyway. Then about this side. Oh my gosh, what's this? Oh, it's eating. Oh my gosh, it's gross. I really like it. It's so really good. So I must eating these when I use my this. How frozen it is. I just look how frozen it is. It's so one in this one. I know what you think. I know what's in my head. Go. Nice. What's frozen? Wait. You don't like it? Okay, now I don't taste it. I thought it was tasty before, but it's not too disgusting. The best. I don't find it. I just please. We'll carry the steak again. So the spicy.